Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about bound and scattering state. We have seen two different kinds of solution to time dependent Schrodinger equation. In case of free particle, the solutions are not normalizable, but in case of infinite square well, they are normalizable. In both cases, the general solution is linear combination of the solutions. Before we understand what actually is happening there, why we are getting two different kinds of solution, let us see the two situations in classical mechanics. If potential Vx varies or rises higher than the particle's energy on either side, as in figure A, that is here, if the potential rises above the energy, this dotted line is the energy of the particle in both sides, then the particle is trapped inside that potential. It will move back and forth or oscillate back and forth between the classical turning points. What is the classical turning points? When the energy of the particle and the potential curve meets is known as the turning points. Here these points and these points, these two are classical turning points. This situation is known as the bound state. On the other hand, if the particle energy exceeds its potential on one side or in the both sides, then the particle will escape the potential. This is known as scattering state. Like, let's say there is a car, so the energy is greater than the potential in this side, so it will escape the potential barrier. Let's say this car has energy E, so this car will go up to this point, then it will come back along the same way and goes to the negative x directions, and it will never come back to the positive x direction. So in this case also, the car will climb this hill and then cross the peak and moves towards the positive x directions indefinitely. It will never come back. So these are scattering states. Similarly, the two kinds of solution to Schrodinger equation corresponds to bound and scattering state. So as a general formula or as a general rule of thumb, we can say that if the energy of the particle is less than the potential at plus and minus infinity, then we can say the particle is in bound state. And if the energy is greater than the potential at plus infinity or at the minus infinity, that state is known as scattering state. In real life, potential goes to 0 at infinity, so we can simply write that if E is less than 0, that is bound state, and if E is greater than 0, that is scattering state. Because the infinite square well and the harmonic oscillator potential go to infinity at x equals to plus minus infinity, they allow bound states only, and because the free particle potential is 0 everywhere, it only allows scattering states. So that's all for today. We will be discussing about Dirac delta function potential in the next lecture. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share. I will see you in the next lecture.